The next thing we're going to have a look at is the pump. We're going to take off the cover. The screws were already loose, so it wasn't anything fancy. There's the old gasket, and you can't really use the old gasket again because the sealer sticks to the face here. And what we're looking for is some deep scores on here, and also on the gears themselves. Now we've got to keep these in the right way around. In fact, they'll only go in sort of one way around. And we're looking for scores on this piece too, and in the bottom. And you can see it needs a jolly good cleaning out. I don't know when the last time this was cleaned, but you've got to get that O-ring off the outside. I'm looking desperately for my small screwdriver. I don't know where the hell that's gone. It was here. Anyway, I'm going to clean this up, get rid of that poo, and then we can assemble that again. Right, that's enough for today. It's Friday, it's almost 4 o'clock. I think we've done quite a bit today. We've got the casings all blasted and cleaned, all the threads tapped out. I've just put a coat of satin black paint on. Same with the outer edge of that cover, so that's going to be nice. All these gears have been through the ultrasonic cleaner. You can see sort of what the job the ultrasonic cleaner's made of that. We didn't have to blast it at all, so we can build that up tomorrow. The end casing, the end extension casing, oops, come up a treat. You know, that's it there, so all the threads have been tapped out. It's all nice and clean, ready to assemble tomorrow. What else have we got to clean? Well, we've got to clean all these bits up here in the back. But you know, until we actually need them, I won't clean them, if you see what I mean, because I don't need the shafts sort of straight away. They won't take too long. I've done the selector shaft there. This has been through the vapor horner, the layer shaft. It looks nice. I've got the bearings to take off that. I'm not going to take the bearings off the main shaft because we've got the primary motion shaft, because we've got a new one, so there's no point doing that. But like I said, there's just a few gears to clean up. But I need to clean the deck off again, clean off the bench, get rid of some of these tools and equipment, and start to build some assemblies up. Alright, so it shouldn't be too bad. Shouldn't be too bad. Like, I think the worst part about doing gearboxes is the bloody cleaning of all this stuff. You know, I mean, I'm fortunate I've got a, you know, parts washer, sandblaster, and a vapor honing machine. It really speeds things up, and also the ultrasonic machine, so it gets all, if it's come out of the vapor blaster, it's into there. It's several stages that you don't realise how long it takes. It's alright throwing things in a bucket of petrol, but so the scheme of things is thick oil and dirt and grease off with the parts washer. Once that's dried, into the sandblaster to get any dirt, rust, anything like that off. Then into the vapor horner. If it's like an aluminium casting, just put a bit of a finish on it, and then into here to vibrate it and clean it and get all the dirt and things out of any holes and whatever's kicking about, because I'm constantly turning parts, if you see what I mean. Because if you have a part like this oil pump, for example, well, if you just put it in the base of the ultrasonic, any dirt's going to sit in the top, so you've got to keep turning bits all the time, if you see what I mean. It's a bit of a pain in the ass, but it's worth it in the long run, I think, because I think it's going to look nice. I think it's going to be nice. The only concern I've got now is stripping that main shaft, which I shall do tomorrow, and see if the synchros are any good. I don't know, maybe, but we'll show you stripping that down in one piece, because it is an important bit. Alright, so I think we'll get these done, get them dry, put them in a plastic bag, put them to one side, and that's it. Oh, and by the way, I did find that little spring that it actually jumped off into one of the boxes, so that was, he obviously wanted to know where it wanted to go. Let's do that. Let's call it a day for today. I'm sick to death of it, but it's cleaning up lovely. I think it's going to be a good one. I think we should be able to get away with an Ashcroft kit, I hope. See you later.